All right, y'all, I'm out here with this Kronos, and I got some HPI tires and wheels on here I've been trying. These are from the HPI Trophy Trucky Flux. I think they need to be a little bit beefier though, because this Kronos body just screams for beefier tires. But I wanted to go ahead, get this out, try this running real quick. I'm not even gonna really run this on concrete because it's gonna wear these tires down. I can get up there. So of course this is an XTR version. You guys know this grass is super thick. I think my steering may be off just a tad. Let me get this straight. That's not doing too bad. I'm probably gonna end up changing like all my servos in here. The stock servos are fine, but I want a little bit more speed and a little bit more power when I run my cars, especially when I start taking these over to a track. A friend of mine has a track he built, and we're gonna get some cars out there and run. Because jumping out here is not always the best. You see how that right turn is, but the left turn's a lot sharper. A lot of times that's due to when you put servos in and stuff and all that, make adjustments for it. But I'll fix that at some point. This definitely has power. And just so you guys know, I'm pretty much good with my cars when manufacturers get them pretty much stock. I was trying to do a backflip. That didn't work out too well. Out the box, like this is a 65 mile per hour plus truck out the box. It really is. The stock tire is balloon. I'm gonna try to hit this. I think it's, yeah, right there where I can do a backflip at. The front tires do balloon up on the stock ones. I think if you put some thicker oil in that diff and stuff, we landed. You'll be good to go. Oh no, my pinion gear came loose. Bro, that's gonna end this run. Listen to that. Got so much power, he just popped loose. Hopefully I didn't lose it, he just moved forward. Yeah, it just pretty much moved forward out. That motor's pretty hot too. I'm gonna have to, yeah, that motor's actually really hot. So I'm definitely gonna, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get one of my Speed Tech RC fans. I'm gonna put that on there to keep this motor temp down some, because they got good electronics and they draw so much power from the cars that the motors and stuff do get hot. So I do recommend a heat sink, and they should probably start including heat sinks or something on there with this, but we'll get this up and going. I love that custom sticker there for that. But anyway, that pinion gear came loose, so that kind of ended this run. It kind of sucks because I was finna get ready to cut loose and get dangerous like Darkwing Duck, but I'm gonna get that pinion gear fixed. I don't have any tools with me, and we'll get this back out and running. So you guys put your comments down below. These tires tonight, they're gonna hold up pretty good to this 6S power. So probably next time you guys see this, I'm gonna get my sticky note, put a sticky note on there, fix the pinion gear, put some good Loctite on there, and put a fan and or a heat sink on the motor. I may do one of the arm ones because it comes with a fan and heat sink kind of all in one. I may put that on there, and then we'll get this running. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.